Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host, Haley. How's it going, everybody? I just got back from the city. I'm so tired. So tired. Long car rides, always like they kill my back. Ugh. But I wanted to record this right now so that I could get all of this put away so that I can start my art piece tomorrow. Finally. So I have a nice big haul, mixed nail art supply haul for you guys. So I'm going to adjust the camera. We're going to go down here and we're going to check out and see what I snagged today. All right. Hey, bunny hands. Okay, I'm going to put a piece of paper towel over my thing here because my purple towel is in the washing machine and I don't want this to be like shining in your faces. So, all right, I'm going to start with my favorite wipes. I managed to snag. Here, let's back up here. Let's get a little higher on the tripod here. Technical difficulties. All right, I managed to get. Can't see them all in the frame, but I got 6 sleeves of my favorite wipe, and I actually found them for cheaper. So the place I went to is called Purple Beauty Nail Supply, and they are a wholesaler in Edmonton, Alberta. So yes, I found my favorite nail wipe for actually $3.95 a sleeve, which is $2 cheaper than what I usually get it. So I am pretty bummed about that. So I grabbed 6 of those puppies. I'm gonna slide them into my drawer here. Alright. Next, I grab another package of single individual toe spreaders. These are like my favorite kinds because sometimes people, I find, depending on the toe shape of certain people, you might only need one. Like if someone's got like some crossed over toes or something like that, they might only need one instead of using an entire, 4 slotted toe spreader. So these are really good to have. And I believe I'm gonna grab my receipt so I can show you guys the price. $9.29 for 144 individual. And these do last a long time. Like I got my first bag when I started my pedicure course, which was last year in August. So they've lasted me quite a long time, and I'm getting a little low. And then, yeah, it was kind of scaring me. So I topped them up and grabbed that. Because I have a favorite buffer, and I'm going to show you guys my buffer before I show you these ones here. So I have, come here, buffer, get out of this. Okay. So I have, this is like my favorite kind of buffer. And as you can see, this one's my personal buffer, and it's kind of getting a little blech, to the point where, when you go to clean it, it doesn't want to clean, it's getting caked. So, because I love this one so much, I grabbed 2 packs of they're 180 spongy buffers. And I have not used this Nouveau Nails brand yet, but I'm pretty excited to use. So I grabbed 2 of these, and these were, let me find it here. Where are they? So these were $19.95 each, but because you buy more than one, I got them both for $39.90 for both of these packages. So I had 24 I can use. I'm super excited. All right, next, what's in my bag? I did stop by Walmart, of course, and I grabbed myself a tall 16, so like the biggest one that they have at Walmart, the 100% acetone, because you always need that, especially if you're doing like, soak off gel polish service, things like that. So yes, I grabbed one of those, and I believe this at Walmart is like $3, something like that. It's not very expensive, and this is like my favorite one to use so far. So that is going on the shelf. Next. 1, 2, 3. So I also grabbed, while I was at Walmart, I grabbed these 3 little brushes because I have pigments on the way and I don't like to cross, like I have brushes for certain things and I wanted to have some pigment brushes, and I know these like kind of short, soft, kind of synthetic haired brushes are good for pigments and like, you know, buffing them in and things like that. This is like an eye crease brush by e.l.f. But these were $1.97 each, so they were very, very inexpensive, and I grabbed a couple, you know, just in case, because you always need backup brushes. So I grabbed those. All right, back to the Purple Beauty stuff. I grabbed my foot content. Oh my gosh, this is so cold from being in the car. Oh, like, okay. So this is when I do regular pedicures, this is the soap that I use in the pedicures, and these last so long. This is my second one that I purchased in a year, because you really only need like so little for pedis. So, and I'm getting like desperately low on my other one. So I grabbed that, and this is All Persan Pro Foot Care. You guys have probably seen this in one of my pedicure videos. How much was that? This was $11.90. Next, so this is the callus softener that I use personally. It is 200 ml bottle, $20 for this little gem right here, but I feel like I have a love-hate relationship with it, and I asked some ladies, you know, what, like other ladies that do pedicures, I'm like, you know, what's your go-to callus softener remover? And a lot of them steered me towards this Foot Logic's. So I'm going to give this a whirl, and these are both the same price point. You definitely get more in the All Persan brand, but yeah. So I'm going to try that out. I love the hollow packaging on that. Isn't that cute? So these were both the same. These were both $20 each. So I'm going to give that one a whirl, just in case. All right. Next. Oh, yes. So I use a foot file for my pedicures. The one I have is completely stainless steel. It's called an Angel foot file. And now sometimes, like, the downtime when sanitizing is 20 minutes, because that's what the CS20 is. So I thought I would have like a backup, and this is a peel and stick stainless steel foot file kit. So I can definitely put this in my cleaner. And then I have, you know, the adhesive pads, kind of like my peel and stick, where are you? Kind of like my peel and stick file here. So for sanitary purposes, and it has, I also bought the extra pack because I have a feeling I'm going to like this. So yeah. This. So the paddle and 24 refills on this guy. Where are you? This was $15.99. And this refill pack was $10.49. So, yes, I like that. I think probably going to do some like review videos on some of these things now. All right, next. So, also going with pedicures here, I offer a jelly pedicure. And this one, I think it's the blue one. It's called Pearl Glow. This is like an Avery Jelly 2-step pedicure. These are so much fun to do. I have 5 kinds already. I just grabbed 4 packages because I wanted to see how they smelled and, you know, just to kind of test them out. These were $2.25 for a package. And I also find for the type of basin I use, what's in here is way too much. So this is definitely like, I can use like half and still get a full bowl of jelly, and it just overflows with craziness. So yes. Oh, are these the same? I hope so. They were in the same thing. Okay, good. Scared me there for a second. I saw this, and I saw this, and I thought they were two different things. But I had to flip it over. So yeah, I got 4 of those, just to test them out, see what that's all about. Next. I grabbed a diamond barrel bit because my diamond crosscut bit is getting a little for my liking. And this one was, where are you on the thing? I'm trying to read. Where are you? Jelly spa, blah, blah, blah. Sorry guys, I'm trying to read my receipt so I can get you the proper price. I don't think she put this on here. Uh-oh. She didn't ring this in. Now I feel bad. Oh my god. It has to be on here. It has to be. That's not it. 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 Oh, wait. Okay. I almost thought she didn't charge me for it. This was $16.95. And this is more of a coarser, so I would say it's like a medium coarseness for this one. Next, I got 10 packages of these extra long stilettos. These are what I will be using for my piece, for my mixed media art. So I grabbed 10 because I will also have nail masters again. So I made sure I had a few on hand. And these were $1.95 each, and I got 10, so I paid $19.50. Next, I got, put this here, and put this here, and put this here, and that is the end. Okay. I grabbed myself a pack, 500 pack of fusion forms, and there's the price right there. And these are like a short form, if you will. So yeah, because I have a lot of clients that have shorter nails, and I don't like wasting my long stiletto forms on them. So this is more of a shorter form to use, and I'm really liking the paperback ones. So I saw these and I thought I would give them a shot because, yeah. So I might have to do another like form against form video, see how they perform. Pun. And I also grabbed another 500 pack of these Ugly Duckling stiletto form. Now, Ugly Duckling, I don't know if it's American at all, but I know that Ugly Duckling is Canadian, and I believe they're based out of British Columbia. Don't quote me. But yeah, so I grabbed their stiletto forms, kind of because it reminded me of the long ones I wanted to get that Kirsty Meakin actually uses. So they kind of look very similar, the way they close with the double clasp. So I'm pretty excited to try those out. And how much were these? These were $23.95 for a pack of 500. And that makes me a little more happy because the Brillbird ones I bought not too long ago at Nail Masters were actually $32, and to me that's pricey. So under 25 is cool for me. So I got 2 packs of forms, and last but not least, I am so excited about this. I've wanted one of these for a long time because this is what I've been doing. Screws and some sticky tack with stuff inside of an old buffer. And this just ain't happening. So, I got, if you guys haven't seen these before, they are the little, oh, there's one stuck to the top already. So these are little, what you call them? You put nails on them, and this also comes with the little diamond knobby. There are, looks like 5 white and 5 black, so there's 10 altogether in here. So this is almost like a display for when you're doing art. So instead of like sticking sticky tack to like the end of a brush and being afraid that it's not going to hold, you have a little magnet. So here's a little holder. You know, you can hold on to that nice and good. And then if you're switching between nails, you can, you know, pop that one on, put another one on, just like that. And the fact that it's checkered is super cute. I like it. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so there's a dozen. So there's 6 black and 6 white. And a knobby. And the case. I love it. And this was... Where are you on the thing? $19.95 for that. And I think that's awesome that you get 12. I thought there was only 10. But yeah, and it's called a chessboard magnet tip holder with 12 tips. I guess I should have just flipped it over. All right. So I'm going to pause for a moment and I'll see y'all back up. All right. So I hope you folks enjoyed that haul video. I haven't done like a haul in a long time. And I've been itching. You know, you just go and you get like a little bit here and a little bit here and a little bit here. But I love being able to get stuff. So this will keep me good for a little while. I do have some stuff coming online. Can't wait for that. Anywho's, click comment, like, subscribe, and share with the universe. Keep coming back to Philly. You know I love you. Follow me on Instagram, BC_Jazzy_time. If you like, follow me on Twitter at NailsB. And you can also please subscribe, smash that like button, hit the bell notification. And you guys will get notification every time I post. I post every few days. Sometimes it's closer together. Sometimes it's far away. It's usually within 4 days of each other. But I've got lots going on right now, so they might be closer together. Anywho, I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. I'm going to have fun putting this away. So I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay